To create topic MCQs, click on Create Topic MCQs button, and then select Category and Subcategory. And then type your topic name and click on Create button to create your topic MCQs. Then click on Add MCQs button. Fill in the question, add relevant options, and optional explanation. Then click on Save to add MCQs to your topic. You can also import MCQs via Excel or CSV file. Click on Import MCQs button, then upload your MCQs Excel file. On that Excel file you can write 100 of your MCQs. Then click on Upload button to upload your MCQs. After successful upload, you can see your uploaded MCQs in your existing topic. Then on Topic Edit page, click on Publish Topic to publish your topic MCQs. Select Publish Private option if you want to conduct test.